All right, we just pulled up to Tahoe buoy number 1. This is where we have our atmospheric deposition station. And these buoys are shared between NASA JPL and UCDAVIS, collecting a lot of data about the surface temperatures of Tahoe, but also what lands on the surface of Tahoe, and that's what I'm going to be sampling today. All right, up here on top of the buoy, we have our dry deposition bucket. What we do is we fill this with deionized water, and then any atmospheric deposition, so particles, dust, things that are traveling out across the lake from the air, end up falling into this bucket. We take the water back and analyze it in our chem lab. So that's this bucket here. And right now, because it's winter time, you can see it's full of ice. So the bucket I pulled off the buoy, I put inside this bag so it doesn't get contaminated while we're driving around the lake. And the water in here is going to get thawed out back at the chemistry lab. And then we'll be looking at the nitrogen and phosphorus that is contained in this water. And that is the additions of nutrients that fall on the lake's surface that end up stimulating algal growth. Okay, so over here on this side, we have our wet deposition. This is basically just a gigantic rain gauge. And we have this plastic tube filled with a clean plastic bag. So we remove this, and we'll see if we got any precipitation out here. And we did. So not a lot of precipitation from the last storm, but what we typically see, there's a big rain shadow that goes across the lake. So the west shore definitely gets more snow and rain than we do out here in the middle of the lake, and the middle gets more than the east shore. So there's a rain shadow effect all the way across the lake. So that bag that I just collected will go back to our laboratories. We'll figure out exactly how much snow or rain we got from that last storm. And I'm just going to replace it with a clean bag. It slides back into the tube. With a little luck, we'll have another storm in just a few days.